Hello guys, I'll be showing you how you can basically deploy your website to Git pages. So there are other ways you can actually do this. You can use a paid service. You can, of course, GitHub is also a paid service, but they give room for free versions. You can use it freely, at least for some basic things that you may want to do, for some basic deployment. So that is what we are going to be doing today. Like, we are going to just deploy to GitHub pages basically. So that is what we'll be doing. So you want to ensure you have your project set up already, and you've done the proper thing, and you have as well connected your repo to you have connected your project to the repo. That is, you can push from your local machine to the repository that is concerned, right? So after you've done all that, then you can of course proceed to GitHub. So for me, I especially do not have my repo up to date. That is, I've not made commit of the latest push, right? So I will be doing that real quick. I'll be pushing the latest update so that I can deploy the up-to-date version of this project. So I can simply do git add git flag git commit flag hem, then I'll put the commit message. Of course, you can put any commit message you would like to add, right? It doesn't really matter. You may want to be very specific or very detailed with your commit message. It depends on you totally. So you feel free to add commit message that are specific to you, or that are more details about what you are doing. It's just a free word, okay? That's not why we are here. Okay, so I will do git push so that I have everything up to date. After this has completes the update, then I can then proceed back to the repository, check if the files are there. Of course, you can see I have the files there now, right? So what you want to do next is that on this top part, there are options there. Settings options is what we want to use, but there are other options like code issues, pull request, and project security, insight, and settings. So there are actually two settings, one on the top right, then one on the right side. So you want to be sure you are on the repo. So for me now, you can see I'm currently on the repo. So I'll go to settings. So I will use the settings on the top. Of course, I have a settings on the side, but I will be using the settings I have on the top there. So I'll click on that. Takes me to this page, the settings page. On the settings page, we have the menus on this right in categories. Okay, 3 categories majorly: integration, rules, code and automations, and the like. So on the code and automation, I need to use pages, right? So that is where I can actually deploy deploy to GitHub pages. So I want to ensure that I'm deploying from a particular branch. So here I have to change the branch, since the project only has one branch, which is a main branch. So I will have to change the deployment branch towards the main branch. So I will select main branch, then I save. Well, after doing this saving, it will update and possibly get me the URL to what it has deployed for me, that is to my project that has been deployed. But somehow the URL doesn't come like that. So a workaround I found around this is to just put a domain, sorry, just put some character in the input section for a custom domain and just try to save, and obviously it's going to reject it. So once it rejects it, I'm good to go. Afterwards, it will definitely give me what they provided URL, that is the one the GitHub has automatically generated for me. So let's see that. So here now I have the repo. You can see it said your site is live at HTTP, the git username and likes, then construction comp and all like that. So from there you can copy the URL, or you can just click on visit site. Either ways it works. Okay, visit site, or you click the URL thing. Whichever way you've chosen to go about it is still what works. It's still the same thing. It should lead you to the site or to your deployed site. So here is the deployed site working slick. Thank you for watching.